YouTube, welcome back, and today I'm going to be reacting to your logos. It is June the 1st, so hopefully I can be consistent for the entire month, so daily videos. But yeah, I don't know what else to say besides leave a like and comment if you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. First image is Piggy, I need to shade. So yeah, I can't really make out the letters. I mean, obviously you can, but it's like a silhouette, so there needs to be shadows, but I'm curious to see how it's going to look once you are done. I use an image for blood. Okay, decent so far. Planning on adding glowing crystals embedded as well. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Maybe add some cracks in like the middle of the text, possibly. Commission for someone on Discord. Clickers online. I think it's a bit too bright in terms of the saturation. The color is kind of washed out. So maybe also a stroke or outline could help the logo. Influencer simulator. This one is interesting. I think the star could use some work. It looks too small and it just, yeah. Lush Hive, some Lush Hive. I like it's kind of unique. The text is like a crystal or a diamond, which I think is pretty cool. Find them. Night Simulator. Work in progress. I like the top text. Letters here are, I think, a bit too far apart, so yeah. NFT work. Map quest. He's asking for the font right here. This one's pretty cool. Car repair sim. The vectors are kind of low quality. Either that or it's the image, but I think it's really cool. I like the text here. It looks nice. Fly sim. These are old videos right here. If you guys want logo tutorials again, just leave a comment, and I promise I will get back to making those. Blade Legends. Pretty cool. Okay, so let's keep going. Betting sim. This one is pretty nice as well. You could use an outline. Racing Studios. This one is nice. I like it. This is what I'm talking about in regards to the outline. You see a dark stroke and then a white one, so it helps the logo appear and stand out more. Roblox. That's pretty cool too. Outfit ideas. I like the vectors here and the rows on the side. Thanks, A-OK. Thanks for biting your lip when looking at my creations. Interesting. Ooh, I like these right here. #1 Studios and Car Life. Pretty cool. National Coasters. Sword Training Sim. This one is interesting. Nice. Dragon Slayer, first ever creation. Can you teach me? You're so good. Ooh. Puffy emoji. I want to learn how to do stuff in IBIS Paint. I'm not really good at teaching. Sorry. What if you screen share and show me what you do? Oof. Thanks for your kind words, man. I appreciate it a lot. Oh, alright. Sorry. It's okay. I'll try learning from YouTube. Good luck. Thanks. Okay. Smiley face. Smiley face. It's a nice little interaction. Ninja Mania. Murder Blocks. I like this one a lot. Caution tape. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Like I said, for the entire month of June, I'm gonna try and upload daily, so expect a video tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.